Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has announced a historic milestone with the completion of development trials for the indigenously developed fourth-generation miniaturized Very Short-Range Air Defense System or VSHORADS. This comes after 3 consecutive successful flight tests at the Pokhran field firing ranges in Rajasthan, demonstrating the effectiveness of this advanced missile system. The VSHORADS is a crucial system for the Indian Army, which has been seeking to replace the Russian Igla air defense systems for some time. Although small volumes of the Igla-S were procured recently under the emergency measures, the introduction of VSHORADS mark a significant leap forward. This man-portable air defense system is designed and developed by Research Center Imarat in collaboration with other DRDO laboratories and development partners under the development-cum-production partner mode. For over a decade, DRDO has been working to develop new missile systems to reduce India's dependence on foreign imports. The VSHORADS represents a critical step in this direction, proving the Indian Armed Forces with a cutting-edge solution to counter low-altitude aerial threats like enemy aircraft, helicopters and drones. It is powered by a dual-thrust solid motor which enhances its precision and efficiency. Being lightweight and man-portable compared to other missile systems, it can be deployed in the mountains close to the LAC at a short notice. Experts suggest that it will be useful in the eastern and northern borders but not in warfare in the western borders with Pakistan. However, it will prove to be the best in artillery for mountain warfare. Earlier, DRDO and the Indian Navy successfully conducted the flight test of vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile from Integrated Test Range on September 12, 2024. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh congratulated DRDO, the Indian Army and the defence industry for the key milestone, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, which aims for greater self-reliance in defence technology. With the development trials now complete, the VSHORADS system is ready for initial user trials and eventual deployment, moving India closer to self-sufficiency in defence. Significantly, last year the Defence Ministry said that there is a need to focus on air defence weapon systems which are man-portable and can be deployed quickly in difficult terrain and maritime domain. Jai Hind.